Hi, I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Education video series, where we talk about our options, stocks, ETFs, and crypto strategies, and how to properly implement them. I'm excited to talk about how you can use some of these strategies and utilize them to help your portfolio returns. Let's get started now. Today we're going to look at how to implement an Iron Condor in Johnson & Johnson. Let's first look at the trade we published today. So the user is being asked to sell the 137 put and buy the 132 put, while selling the 143 call and buying the 148 call. Let's practice putting this trade in using a TD Ameritrade account. As you can see, I only have 25 bucks in this account, so this is not really my trading account, but this is going to be perfect for us to test things out. We're going to start off first by entering in the ticker, JNJ. Let's set it to June 28, which is what it's already at. Apply. Let's close this puppy down. Now, I like to open up the different legs to make it really easy. So, buy to open. We're going to make this a sell to open, sell to open. Now, what are we doing here? We're grouping the puts and the calls together just to make things easy. Just for argument's sake here, I'm just going to make the contracts one by one by one by one. As I previously said, the expiration is June 28, so let's set that. Now let's go back here. We're selling the 137 put and buying the 132 put. Sell 137, buy 132. This is a put, that's a put. Now on the call side, buying the 148 call and we're selling the 143 call. So sell 43, let's call. Last one, that was a 48 call. Now you have the trade in there. Obviously, it's a credit trade where you're getting somewhere between 195 to 173. Mid-range is 184. I'm not going to put in the order to review, but typically that's where you'd set it here. That credit. To review your order, obviously I can't review the order because, like I said, I only have $25 in this account. Now let's review quickly what I've done here. I grouped the puts and calls together just to make them easy to follow. We're buying the 132 put, we're selling the 137 put. We're selling the 143 call, and we're buying the 148 call. And this is an Iron Condor on J&J, which we published this morning. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful, and that it illuminates different ways you can use the Quantamize platform to improve your portfolio returns. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, send us an email. Let us know what you think. We really want to hear from you. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you are watching a Quantamize Education video.